Samsung is gearing up for another major smartphone release, and this time, all eyes are on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Edge. Reports suggest that this ultra-slim high-end device could make its debut in India as early as April 2025, with a global launch expected around the same time. This could make it one of the most exciting smartphone releases of the year. Earlier this year, Samsung introduced the Galaxy S25 series, but there were also hints about another premium device, the Galaxy S25 Edge. Now, with April approaching, more details about this upcoming model are emerging. According to well-known tech expert Abhishek Yadav, the phone will be available in India in April 2025. Considering India is one of Samsung's biggest markets, this launch is likely to pave the way for its release in other regions. One of the most talked about aspects of the Galaxy S25 Edge is its design. While Samsung has not officially disclosed the exact dimensions, leaks indicate that this will be one of the thinnest flagship smartphones ever. It is expected to have a display size similar to the Galaxy S25 Plus, but with an even slimmer body. Rumors suggest that Samsung might use premium materials to enhance the phone's durability and aesthetics. Some reports mention a titanium frame for added strength, while others claim that a ceramic back may be used to give it a more premium look and feel. Speaking of the display, the Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to feature a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with UHD Plus resolution. The 120Hz refresh rate is expected to make scrolling, gaming, and everyday usage much smoother. Additionally, the display might reach an impressive brightness level 2600 nits, making it one of the brightest smartphone screens on the market. Under the hood, the phone is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, the same chipset used in other Galaxy S25 series models. This should ensure top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-based features. The device is also expected to offer at least 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. On the camera front, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be a strong contender. It is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, to capture sharp and detailed photos. Additionally, there could be a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera to capture wider shots. For selfies, the front camera is expected to be a 12-megapixel sensor with autofocus, ensuring high-quality and well-detailed images. The phone will reportedly launch with One UI 7.0, based on Android 15, and Samsung has committed to long-term software support. Users can expect 7 major Android OS updates and 7 years of security patches, ensuring a smooth and secure experience for years to come. Battery life is another important factor, and the Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to come with a 4,000 mAh battery. While this may seem smaller compared to some other flagship models, Samsung's software optimizations and the power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite chip should help maximize battery life. The device is also expected to support 25-watt fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge when needed. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor for security, an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, and stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience. Connectivity options should include support for 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and extended software support, the Galaxy S25 Edge is looking like a standout device in the flagship smartphone market. As the official launch date approaches, more details are likely to surface. Would you be interested in buying the Galaxy S25 Edge? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech news.